Alright, so welcome to training 2018. This year we've got a couple things that are different planned, but we're also going to keep some things the same. First of all, we're going to have meetings here at the North Fort Myers Recreational Center. But our in-class meetings, we're only going to have 4 of them this year. They won't cover as much of the technical things that we covered in the past few years. It's going to be very basic, running play, passing play, kicking play to get everybody so we're on the same page with mechanics. So the training classes will be scheduled at 6 o'clock like they always. The first one's July 11th, then July 18th, July 25th, and August 1st will be the 4 training dates. Okay, so in a few minutes you should be getting this email. It'll come from SGFOA training 2018 at gmail.com. You'll see it'll have, welcome you online. We're doing a lot of stuff. This video will link back to this video you're watching. So if you click on that, it'll take you back so you can go through all this stuff all over again. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here. You're going to click on the Google Classroom link, which will take you to the main page. And also, before you want to do that, you want to copy that code right there. Copy the code. Then you click on the Google Classroom link. It will bring you to this web page right here. So if you go here, you see right here, create or join your first class. You click on this plus sign. It says join class or create class. We're going to join class. You will paste in that code right there. Hit join. And now you're there. So in the Google Classroom, you're going to find these assignments that are these types of things here. This is going to be how we're going to do our training sessions. And each one will have a name, New Rules 2018, some description of what's going on with it, and a whole bunch of things that go along with it. So to go into one of these things, you go into Open. It'll take you to this new page. It'll say what date was posted, all that type of stuff. And you can please watch video, review the handout, complete the quiz, and order SurveyMonkey for 30 minutes worth of credit for this topic. So the first thing I want you to do is just click here on the training video. And up there, it'll start playing. And that video, when you go through the whole thing, you go through, you could pop through all these things. It'll have a bunch of different things that go about the rules. It'll talk about some different things. You watch that video. You could go on over here to the summer training handout. You could use these arrows on the sides to go to it, or you could close this out. And you can click on each one individually, and I'll bring up the summer training handout. This is just a handout that goes over the rule changes. There'll be different handouts for every assignment. They cover a variety of things. You can hit this arrow here. And this is a very important part. This is the SGFOA. This is the quiz for each module. Each module is going to have a little quiz on it. It's not so much about what you get right or what you get wrong, but it's about that you do the quiz, you go through all the stuff, so you do the training so you get the credit for the class for this year, because the minutes for each class are going to be very important for converting that to your meeting training allotment for each year. So you come down, you get all these things, and you'll have this. So you'd print this out, and you would use this with the SurveyMonkey survey that will be sent out in order to get credit for the class. The thing to remember is that on the SurveyMonkey, none of these questions will be there, so you have to make sure to have the answers written down or be able to flip back and forth between the two so that you can do the quiz properly. Once you've done that, once you've got the quiz done, you've printed out everything you need for it, you go click here, then you go here and you hit mark as done, and then you can do all this stuff, hit mark as done. You don't need to worry about that because all the stuff will be coming to me through the assignment through the SurveyMonkey. So you now see this say done, and you can go back to the main page and just wait for another assignment to come up. You get an email notification whenever an assignment comes up, and these things will be coming fast and furious over the summer when I put an assignment up or any other things like that. If somebody else wants to start a topic, somebody can start a topic, all those various little items you can do. So to get credit for your assignment with the state, we need to have some sort of collection of data. So we have these SurveyMonkeys. Well, they'll come with you from SurveyMonkey. They'll give you the name of the assignment. And then to get to the survey, all you actually have to do is go and click on your answer for question 1, and it will take you to the survey. Once you've done that, just click on OK and fill in your answers, and they will come to me, and I will get the grade, and I'll give you credit for the class. And if you have any questions, you could always email me or any of those other items for the test. Once you've gone through and done all the answers, the last most important thing to do is to click on that finish button. So this chart here will show you how much time you need to put into in terms of minutes for your training requirements of our bylaws. We basically converted classes to 120-minute attendance numbers, so you can see on that chart everything you need to know. And if you have any questions, you can always contact the board member on any of those as well.